in the conclusion, can America defeat childhood obesity? We started asking 4 questions: what it is, the causes, and why children are suffering from this, and how we can stop childhood obesity from happening. We answered these questions, informing everyone a little bit about childhood obesity and some of the health problems it can cause and the expense of all the medical care that they will need now and later in life as an adult. We looked into ways that America has started and tried to help find a way to end childhood obesity, like the Let's Move campaign and the Healthy Hunger-Free Kids Act. Both of these making a difference, but we still have a long way to go. Some of the plans and ideas are not economically pleasing, and most families are trying to live within a budget, and sometimes the food that is best for you is also the most expensive, so people tend to go back to what they can afford. We can also look at sometimes as parents, we get so wrapped up in things going on around us, like work, and if your children are inactive in a lot of sports and clubs, you're busy doing all the running around from one thing to another, you go for the easy fix. Fast food. And we all know that can be one of the ways to put the calories on easily. We all believe that the technology is great, but we also need to find ways to keep our children active and not glued to the computers, games, iPads, iPods, and the TV. They need to get active and get some kind of exercise every day. These plans we have talked about will not stop obesity completely in America, but they won't cause any harm on its participants, so it's a good start.